Good morning. Welcome to my mother vlogging YouTube channel. My name is Fat Ash Vlogs and my booty's flat dog, but that's irrelevant because I'm gonna throw it back, yeah, but not today. If you're new, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified every time I raise hell. And if you're not new, what's up, baby? I see you watching, and thank you for watching. Please watch the whole video and drop the description box to follow me on social media.
Good morning. Watch the whole video to see how I got this hairstyle. Thank you. Yeah. I give this a 7.5 out of 10. The half because it's convenient. It's like I feel like the flat iron would have straightened it more. Both of them together would have straightened it the most. But this is what the hot comb did by itself. This is what the hot comb did by itself. No flat iron. 7.5 out of 10. Would recommend. I'm gonna do a voiceover on this part because for the rest of this video, I didn't talk at all. I was just doing my hair, but I did want to say, words, my bad. Okay, so I just want to say, I hot combed my hair. It was freshly washed. I washed it the night before. I shampooed it and conditioned it, and I blow dried it. I didn't put any products in there after I shampooed and conditioned it. And I don't have a heat protectant, and I need to get one. Like, why don't I have one yet? Anyway, I need a heat protectant. But, yeah. I didn't put anything on my hair. I just blow dried it the night. I washed it, conditioned it, and blow dried it the night before. And I put it into 8 braids, and I'm just combing out those braids. And pretty much some of the sections I split it in half, but some of it I kind of just hot combed the whole section. So yeah, maybe if I would have used smaller sections, it might would have, shoulda, coulda, woulda. It probably. We'll see next time, but I think if I would have used smaller sections though, it probably wouldn't have made that much of a difference. I could be wrong, but I don't know. And yeah, for the ponytail part, which is coming up after I get done hot combing my hair, the ponytail part, all I used was the oil sheen and the edge control. And I brushed it up into a ponytail. I didn't use no got-to-be glue or anything because I'm not keeping my hair out. I just wanted to make a video, really, for content purposes, a length check purposes, natural hair growth purpose. I just wanted to make a video, and I just wanted to use the hot comb because I bought the hot comb, like, I was going to use it on my birthday, which is in December. I bought the hot comb in, like, November, and it's March, and I haven't used it, so that's my first time using it. I just want to use it and make a video, so yeah. Next hairstyle is going to be some box braids. So, excuse me. So yeah, next hairstyle is going to be some box braids, and I'm going to install them with my hair hot combed in a few days, actually, because I don't really like wearing my hair out. I love my hair. I appreciate my hair. I'm thankful for my hair being on my head. But Since I shaved it 2 years ago, I've been just kind of growing it out. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back in some box braids in a few days. And I probably leave the box braids in for a long time. Definitely a month. Probably way longer than a month. But anyways, yeah. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna put in some videos of my texture. Like I got some shots of my hair when it had the conditioner in it, when I was combing it, like right after I washed it. No, I don't remember. But it was last night when I was washing it. I had some conditioner on it, and I got some shots of that. So I'm gonna put that at the end of the video. For anybody that wanted to see my hair wet in its natural texture, whatever, I'm gonna put that at my next blah blah blah. I can't really talk. I'm tired. I don't be sleeping at night, but I'm finna go to sleep. Yep. Stay to the end of the video if you want to see my natural curl pattern. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. That was a kiss. All right, no more kisses. That's how my curl. That's what they look like. I just want to show my hair texture and my length shape, cause I don't really be wearing my hair out, and I'm not finna wear it out for long at all. I'm finna go put my hair away. Before Friday, my hair gonna be done again. This is how much came out in a month. I ain't did this side, this part yet. But so far, this is what I lost a month with box braids not coming my hair right.
Good morning. Welcome to my mother vlogging YouTube channel. My name is FeedIn Vlogs and my booty's flat dog, but that's irrelevant because I'm going to throw it back, yeah, but not today. If you're new, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified every time I raise hell. And if you're not new, what's up, baby? I see you watching, and thank you for watching. Please watch the whole video and drop the description box to follow me on social media.